Welcome to our TeamGuru video tutorial. Today I would like to show you how you can set up summary metrics for your A3 projects. If you are collecting metric data for your projects and using automatic dashboards, you also have an option to summarize this data, and you are able to set up fully automated summary metric, and newly created projects will be automatically added not only to the dashboard but also to the overall total. You are able to set up summary metric calculations based on project type, and you can set it up once and summary metrics will be automatically updated according to your modifications. And to get the full picture before we learn how to set up these summary metrics, I would like to go over quickly how you can set up your action list with project type, and also how you can create automatic metric dashboards based on your projects. And if you need any more details, you can also view our full videos on our support website. So first I would like to show you how you can set up your action list with project type. If you need to learn how to create a new action list, please view our full video on our support website. And now when we go to our action list module and we find our action list and go to its settings, you will see that under the Settings tab, you are able to select your project type. You can choose it from the submenu from all the project types that they already exist in our system. But if you need to create a new project type and you don't have a sufficient role to do so, please either contact your system administrator or us, and we would be happy to create one for you. And after you set up your action list with project type, now you will be able to filter in the list of all your action list based on project type, and you will be also able to set up automatic metric dashboard based on project type and summary metrics. And how to do that? So the next step, I would like to show you how you can create the automatic metric dashboard based on project type. And once again, if you need to view our full video, please visit our support website. But here I would like to just show you quickly when I go to my metric dashboard settings and scroll down. When you check this box, your metric dashboard will be able to automatically generate units that contain actual metric values. So you can choose if you would like to see org units, projects, or partners in your dashboard. When you select projects, you will see that you have all the other options to choose from. You can select your project type, location, project status, and so on. And this means that if a new project is created in the system with this project type and all the details that you have selected, that project is going to be added to your metric dashboard automatically. So you don't need to go to your metric dashboard each time and manually add it. It will happen automatically. And now let's learn how we can create summary metrics for your projects. And to set it up, it is almost the same process as when you are creating other summary metrics. So let's say that we would like to create summary metric for this project savings metric. So when you go to your metric dashboards module and from the submenu you choose summary metrics. Now you click a green plus button to create a single metric. And now we are able to define our summary metric settings. And this part of settings is the same as before. When you choose your metric, org unit, formula, and so on, you choose your org units that this summary metric is calculated from, or your action list. But before you were able to select only action list individually from the system, but now we have this new addition that you are also able to select action lists based on project type and org structure. So now you are able to select project type from the system. Let's say that we will choose this productivity project type, for example. And let's say that I would like to see projects, only the ones that are located in torrents folder. If you would not fill any org unit right here, then the system will include all the projects that they are created in a system for this project type. So in our case, I will see now all projects with this project type under this location, under torrents. And now you are also able to decide if you would like to include subfolders for this org unit and if you would like to also include archive items. And once you are done with your settings, you just hit save and return button. And so now when we go back to our dashboard, now you will see that our summary metric is set up and it is calculating from all of these values for these projects. So when I just click in and then scroll down under related metrics, you will see how it is calculated. Now let's say that I will add a new project with the same project type and for this location and see what happens. Okay, so I am creating a new project. And it's very important that under settings, you will have to select this project type. And where to display, I will select my torrents location. So now when I go ahead and save this project, and now when I go back to my dashboard, now you will see that this project is automatically added to my dashboard, and also the summary metric has changed automatically too, and now you will see that this torrents is calculated from all 4 projects now. So once you set up the summary metric once, then it will be updated automatically whenever new projects are added. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.